Liquid organic fertilizer improves plant fertility by providing complete nutrition, improving soil structure to make it looser for easy air and water absorption, and accelerating nutrient absorption. Liquid organic fertilizer also encourages root growth, chlorophyll formation, increases plant resistance to stress, drought, disease, and stimulates flowering and fruiting, resulting in healthier plants and abundant harvests in an environmentally friendly manner. Rice water is a natural organic fertilizer rich in nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, that is useful for fertilizing plants, strengthening roots, increasing vegetative growth, leaves, branches, accelerating flowering, improving soil structure, and increasing plant resistance to pests, by being watered directly or processed into liquid organic fertilizer. It can be used directly, diluted, or fermented for maximum results, but it is important to be careful not to store it for too long to prevent it from becoming alkaline. Benefits of rice water for plants' nutritional source. Contains carbohydrates, starch, protein, vitamin B, phosphorus, nitrogen, and other macro and micronutrients. Soil and root enhancer. Starch feeds beneficial microbes, such as lactobacilli and mycorrhizae, that decompose organic matter, improve soil structure, and support roots. Growth stimulator. Stimulates root, stem, and leaf growth, and accelerates flowering and fruiting. Plant strengthener. The silica in rice water strengthens cell walls, increasing plant resistance to disease. Rice water is beneficial for almost all types of plants, especially ornamental plants, orchids, ferns, monstera, succulents, spider plants, vegetables, spinach, kale, lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and fruit plants, strawberries, chilies, because it is rich in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, starch, and proteins that fertilize, strengthen roots, accelerate vegetative growth, leaves, and help flowering and fruiting, as well as a good natural fertilizer to support growth and crop yields. Fermenting rice washing water is an effective way to convert household waste into liquid organic fertilizer rich in nutrients, starch, vitamin B, minerals, for plants, rice washing water, then fermented for 5 to 7 days in a closed container until it smells sour-sweet, then removed, e.g. 100 ml POC. 1 water, and watered on the roots 2 to 3 times a week to stimulate growth, fruiting, and fertilize the soil, not for certain ornamental plants such as aglaonema. Mixing papaya leaf water with rice washing water can be a liquid organic fertilizer or natural plant pesticide that is rich in nutrients to stimulate plant growth, make it greener and fresher, and protect against pests such as caterpillars and aphids by fermentation or soaking and applied by spraying after consultation. Benefits of papaya leaves for plants. Pesticide. Repelling pests. Its bitter taste and active compounds such as papain, carpain, flavonoids, and saponins make it effective in killing or repelling pests such as grey-act caterpillars, aphids, and caterpillars. Nervous system and digestive disorders. Compounds such as flavonoids attack the insect's nervous system, while papain damages the insect's intestinal membrane, causing malnutrition. Antimicrobial. Saponins and carpain have antimicrobial effects that help fight bacteria in plants. Environmentally friendly, non-polluting, safe for humans and livestock, and reduces dependence on chemical pesticides. The best time to apply liquid fertilizer is in the morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or in the afternoon, after 4 p.m., when the sun is not as hot and the temperature is cooler. This allows for maximum nutrient absorption through open leaf stomata and reduces evaporation or the risk of leaf burn. Spraying during hot sun or before heavy rain prevents nutrients from evaporating quickly. Avoid direct leaching. Best time morning, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. afternoon, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., or after 4 p.m. Reasons for choosing the right time: cool temperature and high humidity, helps better nutrient absorption. Open leaf stomata, encourages optimal nutrient uptake by the plant. Avoid evaporation and leaf injuries. When the sun is hot, fertilizer evaporates easily and can cause leaf burn. Additional tips: shake first. Always shake the package before use. Check the package. Follow the dosage and usage instructions on the product packaging. Mixture. Do not mix with pesticides unless recommended, as this can kill the beneficial bacteria in the biofertilizer. For watering, kakor, during the dry season, water every 7 to 10 days, and during the rainy season, water more frequently, e.g., every 3 days, depending on the condition of the growing medium. After applying liquid organic fertilizer, plants will show positive signs such as greener leaves, faster new shoot growth, and stronger roots. This occurs because nutrients are effectively absorbed through the roots or leaves. However, it's important to pay attention to the dosage and interval, usually once every 1 to 2 weeks, to avoid overdosing. Ensure the liquid organic fertilizer has fully fermented and is consumed properly, ideally after regular watering or when it's not hot for maximum absorption. Expected plant responses: greener and fresher color. Leaves appear brighter and healthier. New shoot growth. New shoots emerge more quickly. Strong roots. The root system becomes stronger and more widespread. No wilting. Plants are more resistant to hot weather. Signs of thriving plants after applying liquid organic fertilizer can be observed through several physical changes in overall plant health. Plants receiving sufficient nutrients from liquid organic fertilizer typically exhibit the following signs. Rapid vegetative growth. Plants will exhibit a significant increase in growth rate, such as the emergence of new shoots and sturdier stems. 1. Brighter green leaf color. Leaves will appear fresher and have a deeper, dark green color, indicating high chlorophyll levels and efficient photosynthesis. 1. Brighter green leaves. Leaves will appear fresher and have a deeper, dark green color, indicating high chlorophyll levels and efficient photosynthesis. 1. Wide and broad leaves. Plants will have larger, less stunted leaves and an increased number of leaves, creating a dense canopy. 1. 2. Strong and healthy root system. While not immediately visible, POC helps improve soil structure and encourages the development of more numerous, longer, and branched roots. 2. Healthy roots appear white or light brown and are dense when examined. 2. Improved flower and fruit quality. Plants entering the reproductive phase will produce more flowers, bloom fully, and are less likely to fall off. This results in larger, higher quality, and uniformly ripened fruit. 1. Pest and disease resistance. Well-nourished plants tend to be stronger and less susceptible to pests and diseases. 2. Their natural immune system is enhanced by the beneficial microorganisms contained in liquid organic fertilizer. In general, these signs indicate that the plants have absorbed the nutrients from the liquid organic fertilizer well and their metabolism and physiological functions are running optimally.